Girl Juliana Empire official. Yes, and I'm in OJ town. Trust me, the rain start falling. The rain falling at OJ. You know what to see all the place. Look when the rain falls. Trust me. I gotta turn and look on the water with the drain where people have to jump over. You see it? That's how it's there right now when the rain falling at OJ. OJ town is a mess. Yeah. So these are some of the things that we would love to get started with. The drainage in a terrible condition. So Mr. Andrew Olness, these are the things that we would like to be fixed. And make a better marketplace so vendors can go and sell their things. But otherwise from that, I don't have a problem with your show labor rights. One bro God, yes, but you want the place to be. Stay up on the water. Up on the water going all the way down. Look, nobody can cross it. See? A lot of water. So, look, we have fruits here. We have roasting breadfruit. So all of the people who live at foreign we can't get a roasting breadfruit, just come to Otterius, come right here beside mothers. Yeah. And you get your roasting breadfruit, you get your papa, you get your ripe banana, you get your long mangoes, you get your number 11. So for those who know number 11 can come and get it. Mango no, so, mango for the place there. Look at the town. So we have the East Indian. Then I can pass. I will go learn to swim. So we have East Indian, we have Black Mango, we have Julie. Fireball. And we have Rasta. And we have Valerie. Ooh, my mama. Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Bye bye. Love you all. Peace out.